Okay, today we are going to be reviewing how to solve a triangle. So, first things first, let's finish making our labels. They gave us A is this angle, which means that the side that is opposite of it will be angle A. Angle B is up here, so that means again the side that is opposite of it will be B. And angle C, the opposite, will be side C. So now that we have that labeled, let's go ahead and write down what we have so far. So we know that A is 39 degrees. B, we don't know yet. C is 90 degrees. And for our class, it will always be 90 degrees for C. For right triangles, that is. For side A, we don't know. Side B is 8. And side C, we don't know yet. So the first thing I would do is find out what angle B equals. And we're going to do that by saying, well, the triangle is 180 degrees altogether. So if we subtract 90 and we subtract 39, we'll have our answer. And for that, that'll be 51 degrees. Now that we have our angles, we're going to be looking at the sides. So they gave us an adjacent angle right here, because that's the side that's right here. So the two that use adjacent angles are cosine, which is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tangent, which is the opposite over the adjacent. So we'll try and solve for the opposite side first, just because it's going to be a little bit easier. So we'll just plug in our values. Well, our angle is 39, so tangent of 39 equals, well, the opposite side is A, and our adjacent side is 8. So when we want to try and get A by itself, we're going to multiply by 8 for both sides. And we'll have A equals 8 times tangent of 39. Plug that into your calculator. And you should get something along the line of 6.5 after rounding. So A is 6.5. Now we need to solve for C. So we'll use that cosine. Again, we can plug in the values that we have. So we'll have cosine of 39 equals the 8 over C. So we want to get C by itself. So we're going to, we can use the cross multiplication if we want to, but we'll end up with C equals 8 over the cosine of 39. Go ahead and plug that into your calculator, and that will equal 10.3. So now you've solved for all values of the triangle. And that is your answer. If you have any questions on this, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good day,